How to use GoHighLevel for insurance agents. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use GoHighLevel for insurance agents. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on GoHighLevel, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is GoHighLevel, it is a comprehensive marketing automation platform designed primarily for agencies and small businesses, in which it integrates various tools and features to streamline operations, enhance customer engagement, and drive sales. And the platform includes CRM capabilities, email and SMS marketing, landing page builders, funnel creation, and appointment scheduling, all within a single interface, in which this all-in-one approach users allows to manage their marketing campaigns more efficiently, automate repetitive tasks, and gain valuable insight through analytics and reporting. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click this 30-day free trial button below and start signing in your account. And upon signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you on the left side panel in here some of the options such as agency dashboard, prospecting, sub-accounts, and many more. But to start creating an account for insurance agents, just click the sub-accounts button on the left side panel, and from here just simply click add sub-account button on the top right corner. And by clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose here the plan that they offer. However, since we're currently using a 30-day free trial, we only have here a limited sub-accounts that has been created, which is for contractors and this insurance co. So basically, I already have created my insurance account, but if you don't have yet an account for insurance agents, you can simply click plus add sub-account button on the top right corner, in which all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, including the location and also the account's info. And after that, you'll now be able to be directed on this page or this dashboard of your insurance accounts that you've been created. And from here, you can start tracking all of the opportunity status, opportunity value, conversion rate, funnel value, the task, manual actions, lead source report, and many more. And aside from that, if you also want to connect your social media platform or account, just simply click the launchpad button on the left side panel. Or you can start connecting your Facebook account in here, connect directly with the prospect and customers via Messenger and conversation, and sync your Facebook leads with a CRM in here. And aside from that, to create a website for insurance agents, just click the site button on the left side panel. And on the top panel down here, just simply click this websites and proceed by clicking this create or plus new website button, where you can start creating from templates in here and click continue. And it will show you a variety of template that you can choose from. But just proceed by clicking on the left side panel, this insurance, and it will show you all of the insurance templates, including life insurance, travel insurance, and many more. And after selecting any of the template, just simply click the continue button on the top right corner in here to start customizing this template or editing depending on your preferences. So all you need to do is wait for it to load, and from here you can start clicking on it, and it will show you some of the part of the website or the pages in here, such as the home, contact us, link in bio, book now, and thank you pages in here, where you can start clicking edit pages to start customizing their website in here. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate this chat widget, where you can create a widget in here, such as a live chat, SMS, or you could start clicking plus new button on the top right corner, where you could also use WhatsApp, SMS, or email chat in here. And let's say I'm going to select this live chat, and upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed in here, where you can start navigating on the left side panel this widget to customize the chat, in which it will show you on the right side panel below what it looks like. And you could also select here the theme, the chat icon, depending on your preferences, and it will show you the changes upon clicking on any of these icons. You could also enter here or customize this welcome message, and even customize this widget, avatar, allow avatar image, and other kind of chat window messaging that you can start customizing it. And by clicking the save button on the top right corner, you will be able to save the changes that you just created in here. And now going back on this page right here, aside from that, you could also navigate this funnels option by clicking on it, in which it is also important for insurance agents because it streamlines the process of converting leads into clients. So you can create here from templates, in which all you need to do is simply select here the template library, the insurance, on the left side panel under this category, and it will show you in here some of the options that you can choose from. And you can start selecting it and customizing the way we start customizing our website. And from here, just simply click the continue button on the top right corner to start adding this template or start customizing it. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to load to add all of the template and start customizing it or editing it depending on your preferred contents on your insurance pages. But going back on this page, aside from that, you could also navigate this conversations option, in which it is designed for insurance agents to enhance the client communication and streamline interactions throughout the sales process. And aside from that, you could also navigate here this calendars option by clicking on it, and it serves as a vital tool for insurance agents designed to streamline appointment scheduling and enhance client interactions. We have here the calendars, preferences, availability, connections, and many more. So you can start creating a calendar such as for personal booking, round robin, collecting, booking, and many more. We also have here these connections. While on the left side panel, we can start navigating some other options, including these contacts by simply clicking on it, in which it is particularly beneficial for insurance agents, serving as a vital tool for managing client relationship and streamlining communication. And from here, you can start filling out this required information to add a contact. Now moving on, aside from the contacts option that you can start navigating here, we also have here on the left side panel this marketing option. By clicking on it, we can start creating our social planner, email, snippets, and many more, in which it is tailored to meet the unique needs for insurance agents, providing a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline marketing efforts, enhance lead generation, and improve client engagement. Now moving on to this automation option, by clicking on it, this feature is designed to streamline the operations of insurance agents, enabling them to manage leads, enhance client communication, and improve overall efficiency. So you could also create here a workflow, such as by starting from scratch or selecting a template. And by starting from scratch, all you need to do is to simply enter here the kind of trigger, including the contact, here contact created, contact DND, contact tag, and many more. And all you need to do is simply save the trigger and add here the flow upon triggering your selected in here, in which this task automation, sending reminders for policy renewals, scheduling appointments, and following up after initial consultations can be automated. And by simply automating repetitive tasks and automations, insurance agents can significantly reduce time spent on administrative duties. Aside from that, we could also navigate here some other options, including the start from scratch, give you a variety of template to choose from, including WhatsApp delivery status, appointment booking in here, long-term nurture, reactivation email sequence, and many more. So basically, the automation options in GoHighLevel serve as powerful tools for insurance agents, enabling them to streamline lead management, enhance client communication, and improve operational efficiency. And this is basically what the webinar registration, confirmation, and reminders looks like of workflows. Moving on, we could also navigate on the left side panel this payments option, in which it is designed to simplify the financial transaction for insurance agents, enhancing their ability to manage client payments efficiently. While this opportunities option in here is particularly beneficial for insurance agents as it helps streamline the sales processes and effectively manage potential clients. So basically, all of these options or feature allows agent to create a customized marketing campaigns and landing pages which help capture leads effectively. So overall, that is just basically how you can use GoHighLevel for insurance agents. Thank you.